Alright you guys, again 2011 QX56. This is the driver's side oil catch can. It's a little bit hard to get to, so I couldn't video it at the same time while holding the phone, but there's way more stuff collected on this side than there was on the passenger side. So the passenger side is back together. It collected about 60 milliliters of oil and water and who knows what's in there. So let's just find out what this side has. So this is the driver's side. There's your first 30, sorry 15. Right, 15, yeah, 15 milliliters. What a mess. It's 45, 60, 75, 'Oh, there's some water in there too that's mixing in with the oil. That's 90. There was definitely more water on this side. That's 105. Let's say 110 milliliters. More water, way more water and oil on this side, on the driver's side than the passenger side. So anyways, I gotta clean up this mess, put it back together. So now we know that after 5,000 kilometers, the passenger side collected 60 milliliters and the driver's side about 105. So again, definitely worth putting the oil catch cans in there so your valves, intake valves, stay cleaner much longer. Cheers.